Hi guys, welcome to Street Tech, it's Arman, and today this video is all about the new Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Huawei P20 Pro, that one. Yeah, so we are going to do some testing today with this two mobile phone. We're going to start with a battery test, which one will last longer. Will it be the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the Huawei P20 Pro? So I got these two here on my hands. Good. So both are premium phones anyway. This is not even cheap when it first came out. This is quite cheap now, so you can get it like a really good discount because it came out in April 2018 and this one is March 2019, so it's kind of really new. The difference between the two, the Samsung Galaxy S10, it has a 3400 milliamperes battery. This is a lithium-ion battery. And we have the Huawei P20 Pro. It has a 4000 milliamperes battery, and that is a lithium polymer. They said that the polymer is a little bit slightly has a bigger capacity than the lithium ion battery. So we're gonna check this out. Though we have the Huawei P20 Pro that is already a year old pretty much. We will see if this can cope with like new updates of operating system, application and stuff like that, but this is 3400 milliamperes. It's quite low compared to Huawei P20 Pro, but we're gonna check this out if which battery will get emptied first. Come on my table, let's see. We're gonna start here on my table. Okay, so to give you an idea what we're gonna do today, of course we are going to test the battery of these two mobile phones, the Huawei P20 Pro, which is that one, and the Samsung S10, that one. Okay, so we are going to test pretty much everything like YouTube, this and that, internet, games and stuff like that. So both have the same account, and then both have an updated apps and thing like that. So I have a double check there earlier. So we have all the updated apps there. And then at the moment, so we have both 100% battery, and also we have a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on, and we're gonna put that on vibration mode, so it's a vibrate mode. So they have the same account. Whatever notification that this phone will get, this Huawei P20 will get as well. Okay, so we are gonna test it now. At the moment it's only 10:27. And we're gonna start pulling the actual charger in 10:30. Okay, so it's now 10:29 pretty much, and we are just going to unplug both of this charger. There you go. So they're all unplugged now, and yeah, so both are 100% brightness. Okay, the reason why I chose this Huawei P20 Pro is because it has a really good battery. Every time I'm gonna go out, and I found that the Huawei P20 Pro lasts longer than any of the phone that I had prior to this Samsung S10, and then we're just gonna check it out today. We're just gonna find out if the Samsung S10 is also good in terms of battery. How long will it take for that to get flat? Okay, so it's now 10:30. What we're gonna do, just gonna turn that on now. Okay, so 10:30. We're gonna use my Samsung S7 Edge as a clock timer. We're just gonna pop it down there, and yeah, we're just gonna do the testing. Okay, so we'll speak to you in a bit. Hello guys, so just an update, and after 2 hours of non-stop usage of this phone, they are now down to literally the Huawei P20 is 76 and the Samsung S10 is 73. So it's only like 3% like difference between the two. We're gonna keep doing this one. Just to give you an idea as well, because I haven't mentioned it earlier, the operating system of these two phones both of them is actually Android 9.0. So they are updated. Okay, so yeah, we'll leave it for a bit and I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Okay, so don't be confused. I used the percent word because that is how you know that's how you read the actual battery level. So it has like a percent sign on it, so it doesn't mean that it's a 42% of 100, if you know what I mean. So it is 42% left for the Huawei P20 and 37% for the Samsung one. Okay, so yeah, so 4.5 hours. Yeah, we're gonna continue doing this, and hopefully one of them will, you know, drain quicker than the other. Let's see. Okay, so it's just another update now. It's pretty much 6 hours and 30 minutes since we started the test, and the phones are now starting to give up. Basically it's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon UK time, and that is what's happening now with the Huawei P20 Pro. It has 10% left, and the Samsung has 7% left. I would say it's pretty awesome actually. So if you have your phone if you have your phone on full brightness, so both are full brightness still, and Wi-Fi on, Bluetooth on, vibrate on, and everything, yeah, you will use your phone pretty much like 6 hours and 30 minutes or a little bit more. What will happen now is just we need to wait until it gets really flat, and that's what I want to see, how long will it take at least to keep the phone going for that long. Yeah, so we're gonna keep doing this test, and I'll leave you there for now. Okay, so just another update now. So it's basically 5:22 and it's been 6 hours and 52 minutes since we are running this, and it's now down to 1%. The Samsung S10 is now down to 1%. The Huawei P20 Pro is now down to 4%. I would say, I'm just gonna say, Samsung actually did really well on this one. Though it has 3,400 milliamperes battery, but it's actually doing well. Though it's a new battery, it will probably last longer than any of the phone that has the same amount of milliamperes compared to, if you compare like the old model to the new model. But this is 4,000 milliamperes and it's now down to 4%. At least it could have a little bit longer than that, I suppose, but yeah, that is what's going on. And it's been 6 hours and 53 minutes and it's still going. I'm just gonna keep going until our Samsung S10 will get really flat, and we'll see about the Huawei P20 Pro as well. Okay. Oh, did you see that? Wow. Did you see that? Yeah. So the Huawei P20 Pro, whilst I was playing, it just shut down completely and it's trying to turn on. And I noted it was 6 hours and 58 minutes. That's the life battery of the actual Huawei P20 Pro. And then I'm just actually waiting for the Samsung S10 to turn off. I'm actually surprised. I thought Samsung Galaxy S10 will shut down first before the Huawei, because Huawei was like 5% when I look at it, whilst the Samsung S10 is still 5%. Oh no, it's still going. What's wrong with this one? Yeah, the Huawei is still going actually, but I'm not sure what's going on. They still have a little bit of battery in them. Yeah, it's completely dead, so you won't be able to use it. So it's shut down again, completely dead. Now I'm just literally waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S10 to turn off. Still have 1% left there. Still going. Oh no, that's it. Wow. Okay. So that's the end of our test today, and conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S10 actually won this battle. I thought it's gonna be the Huawei P20 Pro, but no, it's not. We have 6 hours 58 minutes with the Huawei P20 Pro. That it's completely dead. And the Samsung Galaxy S10 is actually 7 hours and 18 minutes, which is quite good. Yeah, so I didn't expect that at all. I thought Huawei P20 will survive a little bit longer than the Samsung S10, but no, Samsung S10 won the battle. So if you're thinking on how long you can use your phone, Samsung S10, if you have that, you can use it for up to 7 hours, full brightness, non-stop usage, Wi-Fi, internet, vibrate on, Bluetooth on, NFC on, and this and that, play games, watch YouTube and internet. Yeah, that's gonna be 7 hours. Okay, so that's how it is gonna be. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, just put that in the comment section below and I'll try to answer that for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Okay, so that's gonna be the Huawei P20 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S10. Goodbye.